Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reconcile PayPal in QuickBooks Online. Navigate to the banking menu on the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard. Look for the Link Account button, then select PayPal from the available options. You will be prompted to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection, which securely links your transactions. This initial step usually takes only a few minutes to complete, ensuring your data begins flowing smoothly. After successfully linking your accounts, navigate to the For Review tab under your PayPal bank feed. Here, you will see a list of recent transactions pulled directly from PayPal. Take a moment to review each entry, checking the date, amount, and description for accuracy. QuickBooks attempts to auto-categorize many items, but a quick manual check ensures everything is correct. This careful review minimizes discrepancies later on. The system will often suggest potential matches for transactions already present in your QuickBooks records, like paid invoices or bills. Simply click Match to confirm these entries, preventing duplicates. For any new items, choose the correct expense or income category and assign a vendor or customer. This precise categorization is essential for accurate financial statements and understanding your cash flow, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. After categorizing and matching all transactions, it is time to perform the final reconciliation. Go to the Reconcile option and select your PayPal account, then enter the ending balance from your PayPal statement. QuickBooks will then guide you through confirming all cleared transactions. If there is a small difference, perhaps a few cents, carefully investigate the entries. Once both balances agree, click Finish Now to complete your reconciliation, ensuring your books are perfectly balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.